All right, guys, you're in trouble again. Why? Because your V-cut on a t-shirt is way too low, right? And you don't know how to fix it. And well, or any kind of V-cut. I have so many of videos already how to fix a round neck cut, make it smaller, because it is presented problem for quite few of us who don't want to reveal too much. And well, kind of the way what they make garment, it's kind of one size fits most, which is that just a phrase of that phrase drive me nuts. And that's usually what it's mean, do not fit none. And well, that's why many people stuck with those off-shoulder look, or and they don't want to be always using that. Even young people, they want to have choices to use it or not use it, or just a simple too low cut, and it's kind of limited you wear for job or something. That we're talking about V-cut. It's gonna be separate playlist. I'm gonna put effort from all my playlists, which is I have already separate list about how to make things smaller. But I'm gonna make separate playlist how to make neck smaller, because neck cuts like round or V, different ways of doing it, depend how much time you want to put on it and how actually you treasure that piece. If it's something simple like that, like t-shirt, well, it's I will show to you in this video simplest way to do it. Way of doing it, what anybody can do it. If you don't have sewing machine, whenever I do with sewing machine, you can do by hand stitching. Hand stitching video above my token, right top corner, click on that line, will take you to hand stitching. And please check in the end of this video, I will put that new playlist what I'm talking about, how to make neck line smaller. And it's going to be all those videos which are already made. I believe like 7 or 8 of them already made, how to make different cuts on different garment neck smaller, because it is a problem. It is a problem which is important to many. Well, let's see how we did it. Hi guys, today's video about another way of taking in the neck part of t-shirt, any top, or sweater, even sweaters. Some sweaters have cuts like that. And we're talking about V-cut this time. I do have already a few videos committed to V-cut or something like V-cut, how to make it smaller. Now, well, one of them I'm posting right in the end of this one. And pay attention to those cards, what they call cards, such as lines popping out on a top right screen corner. You can click on it and it will take you to related video on my channel, which is how to take in the necks. And here is our V-cut on this heavy cotton t-shirt what I have. And I'm losing weight now, while I have to take it in practically everything, and especially in my bust area. And in V-cut, what we do, we turn it inside out. Let me do it now. We turn it like that. We got to that V from inside out. You put it together like that. Okay? It's that easy. And stitch it right here. Again, it's only one way of doing it. So many other ways, which is I already showed to you or will show to you in the future. And you just take it in as much as ½ inch, go down to 0. Gradually, you want to take more, but as more as you taking in here, as farther you're going down to smooth it out, what it will be nothing, no poker in there after you're done. And what you come up with, let me show to you another t-shirt, which is I already did. And you can make it like some little pattern going on. This is more spandex in it, that's why it's look like a little bit. You still keep your V, okay? And look what happened here. You stitch that seam, like I just showed you in another one. You cut that from inside, and then you stitch over some decorative stitching right here, and a few of them going down, and it's look like little pattern going on. Let me get very close to camera, but you can see what's going on. A little pattern, like you can see, stitching right here I put down, and I created, make sure it's exactly centered. What all this stitching will shows exactly on center while you're wearing that, and see how it's nice it's look. One stitch going down, right on the top of that seam, another two, this side and this side, just look like little three lines sliding down from your perfect V, still perfect V. If you take it in, as more as you take it in, as more sharp it gets. And it's look very nice when you wear it. Look like it belongs there. Look like it's pattern. No, well, thank you guys for your time, and please subscribe. Much more videos there, and much more is coming. Thank you for your time.